Hello, this is Toby Zane, the owner of A Keen Eye, and I'm here very excited to introduce you to our new XSTO AirTag Ready Wallet. This is how it will come in the mail to you. The bracket for the AirTag is here. This happens to be the Amazon carbon fiber bundle, so it's got the carbon fiber spring and the carbon fiber business card cover. So to put your AirTag in there, all you have to do is remove your business card cover, set it to the side. The spring actually unlatches from the end and you just slide it out there. So that's very easy to get out. And then you have to remove these 4 screws. We provide a Allen wrench in the package. All you have to do is just loosen up those screws. You can actually just leave the screws right there in the holes. Sometimes that is a little easier to manage those screws. And so you loosen those up, leave them sitting in the holes. And then there's the bracket that is actually machined, precision machined to accept your AirTag. The AirTag ends up just dropping down into that cavity there. And then you bring that XSTO back over on top of that bracket, and you have to find the holes there. And then you don't cinch it up. You just put the screws in, snug them up a little bit. So you get all 4 screws before you actually tighten them. Get them all 4 cinched up. Then you come back and you actually tighten them up. You don't need to put that much torque on them. There's nothing wanting to cause those screws to come out of there. So what ends up happening is your AirTag is flush with the inside of the XSTO. Your screws are flush with the inside of the XSTO. So it has the same capacity as what you're used to with your XSTO. That AirTag actually can rotate in there, so you can actually adjust it as you want to. You can actually remove the cover here and replace the battery. What you have to do is put your fingers on the bottom and then push down and rotate, and you can see that cover actually unlatches off of there. To put it back in, you just find the slots. You have to rotate it a little bit till you find the actual slots there. Gently, sometimes it's easier than others, and then you push it down and you rotate it back in. There's the cover is back installed. So all you have to do at that point is take your carbon fiber spring, put it into there, push it down, lock it in, and your business card cover goes in there. So you have the same capacity. This is our new XSTO AirTag Ready Wallet. Awesome for security because they actually have to remove the screws to get it off of there. Hopefully you never lose your wallet again using this XSTO AirTag Ready Wallet.